My son painted my cat this morning. I want to ask him why. Then he decided to paint the cat and the whole house, and the couch, and the cabinets, and the floor. Maddox, why did you paint the cat?
I don't know. I squeezed it with a ball jam.
What'd you
I
do?
squeezed it with a ball paint.
Right.
I did, and he was a decoration like Santa Claus tree.
He was the decoration like Santa Claus?
Yeah, like Santa Claus tree. But
You wanted to hang him on the Christmas tree?
yeah,
That's why you painted him?
yeah. That's why.
Let's go see what he looks like. So he painted my cat for Christmas, to hang him on the Christmas tree. But then